Sophie, and recently I finished reading the book Dogman, Crime and Punishment by Dave Pilkey. I liked the way the author drew Dogman. My mom wanted to learn how to draw him. So today I'm going to teach her how to draw Dogman. You can draw with us. All you need is a piece of paper and something to color with. Let's start it. So first we're going to draw Dogman's head. I'm going to draw a curve that goes down here and then goes here, like that.
Okay. Curve goes down.
And then I'm going to draw the little nose. I'm just going to draw a circle.
Circle.
His nose is black, so I'm going to color it in black.
Oh, okay.
And then start here,
Mm-hmm.
and we're going to curve, and then we're going to curve all the way to the top. He has a big head.
That's right.
And now we're going to draw his ears. His ears are going to be like long U's, like very long U's. I'm going to make mine curving.
Okay.
Wow. And then we're going to start here, and we're going to make another long U, only a little bit longer than this one.
Okay, a little bit longer.
Yes. Yours look almost the same. Next, we're going to draw his eyes. He can't see without eyes. His eyes are just 2 lines.
2 lines?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
See? Those are his 2 lines.
All right.
Next, we're going to draw the 3 dots under his nose.
What is
1, 2, 3. I don't know. It's what he looks like. Next, we're going to draw his smile. He has a huge smile. So we're going to start here, and then we're going to curve all the way up to his eyes.
Okay. I have a question.
Yes.
Can we just draw a dog man stand up? I don't like this pose. Just stand up.
Sure.
Okay.
Okay. Now it's going to draw his hat.
Mm-hmm.
So here, I'm just going to draw a long line here.
Long line.
Okay. Just maybe a little bit farther than this line.
Okay.
And there, we're going to draw the top of his hat. We're going to draw a straight line.
Okay. Straight line.
And then we're going to draw another straight line on the top.
Okay.
That sure is going to be a big hat. And then we're going to draw another straight line.
Okay.
Next, we're going to draw his shirt. I am going to draw a slanting line down here, like that.
Okay. So we're gonna get standing position, right?
Yeah. And then we're going to draw some, whiskers under his chin.
Oh. Whiskers?
Yeah.
Okay.
I used to think they were stitches, but I learned that they were whiskers.
Oh, yeah. Looks so stitched to me. Anyway, that's the character.
Yep.
Okay.
Next, we're going to draw another slanting line
Okay.
down here.
Another slanting line.
I think I'll make a teeny bit longer.
Teeny bit. Oh, long enough.
Okay, and then I'm going to connect them.
Connect them together. Okay.
Next, I am going to draw his sleeves. I'm going to draw a slanting line down here.
Okay.
Then connect them with a straight line.
Oh.
And then I'm going to draw his fingers. I'm just going to draw 3 bumps.
Okay, that's easy. 3 bumps.
Yep. And then we're going to go here and then draw the same sleeves. Like that. And then I'm going to draw the 3 bumps again for his fingers.
Finger.
Uh-huh. And then I'm going to draw his pants. So I'm going to start here and then draw a straight line. And then another straight line. And then I'm going to just draw an oval for his shoe. His shoes are easy to draw. Yeah. And then I'm going to draw another straight line. And then another straight line.
Okay.
These are going to be his other leg. And then I'm going to draw another oval for his other shoe.
Okay. His legs are so short.
That's the way he is. Now let's draw the badge.
Okay.
First, I'm going to draw the badge on his hat. So I'm going to draw a small U.
Small U.
And then I'm going to make a small W.
Small W.
And for his shirt, we're going to make a bigger badge. A humongous U.
Humongous U.
Wow, that is a big U. Now let's draw the W on top.
Okay, W on top.
Well, now we're done drawing him. Before we color, Mom, we need 5 colors.
Oh, okay.
We need light blue for his shirt, dark blue for his pants,
Okay.
brown for his shoes, yellowish peach for his skin, and bright yellow for his badges.
Okay. Got it.
Let's start with his skin. I'm going
Okay.
to color his head first. I'm going to avoid coloring his eyes.
Okay.
He has
That's
a
easy.
humongous smile.
Oh yeah, I like that big smile.
Yes. I wonder how he grinned from ear to ear.
So the dog man, the character dog man,
Yes.
is good or bad?
He's a good guy.
Oh, he is?
Yes. He's a policeman.
Really?
Yes. Or
Oh.
rather, a police dog man.
Okay.
Next, we're going to color his fingers.
Fingers? Okay. Oh, the finger is big.
Oh my. I'm going to make it a little darker here because of his sleeve.
Oh, okay. I know.
Yeah.
That's a routine.
Yep, that is my routine.
Okay. So the Dogman is the character from the Dogman, the book, the series book, right?
Yep. He is the character. He gets into a lot of trouble. Now it's time to color his ears.
Okay.
We're just going to simply color him peachish yellow.
Okay. Mine's a little bit differently from yours, but
It's okay.
okay. All right, I'm done.
Next, let's color his shirt.
Oh,
I'm just
that'll be fun.
color it a light blue here. First, let's start with the sleeve. Here, I'm going to darken it because it's behind the body.
Okay.
And then I'm going to color the other sleeve and do the same thing.
Okay.
Wow. Dogman sure wears a lot of blue. Is blue the police uniform, Mama?
Really depends. I think it's a black or dark blue. I don't know.
Me neither.
I didn't really pay attention. Oh, you know what?
What?
I think it's a different policemen. They wear different colors.
Oh. Let's color the shirt.
Okay.
Color around the badge, though. The badge we're going to color yellow.
Okay. So it's different, right?
Yep.
Oh, okay. This badge looks like a pocket.
It kind of does. Wait a sec. Do you think policemen have a magic pocket?
I hope they do.
Yeah, they always seem to be able to catch bad guys. Okay,
All right.
we're going to color the hat too blue.
Okay.
Color on the small badge inside.
Oh, still yellow.
Yep.
Okay. So I'm gonna leave that space.
Wait right now.
Okay. So what is next?
His pants.
Okay.
We're going to color it dark blue.
Dark blue.
I'm going to make it even darker here because it's under the shirt.
Oh, okay. All right. But I have to say, Dogman has very short legs.
Maybe because his shirt is very long, so it covers up most of his legs, maybe?
Okay.
Okay. Now let's color his shoes.
Ooh,
We're gonna color them brown.
brown shoes. Oh,
Yes.
I like brown color.
Yeah. I especially like brown because it's the color of chocolate.
That's true. Okay. Oh, that's
Wow.
easy.
Yep. Oh, well, shoes. Don't you think his shoes kind of look like they don't have any ties? He's so lucky to
Cute.
have, he's so lucky to have shoes that he doesn't need a tie all the time. Now let's color the badges.
Okay.
Color them yellow. Bright yellow.
Ooh.
Color the same thing on his hat, too.
Yeah.
It's pretty easy to color in his badges.
All right. You done?
Yep,
Okay. You finished?
we're done coloring and drawing. Mom, yours looks great.
Really?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Although your body seems a little bit way too small.
Yeah, maybe he's short dog man. Tiny dog man.
Yes, and also your fingers are a little way too big.
Really?
Yes. But other than that, your picture looks great. You're improving.
Thank you.
Both my mom and I finished drawing our dogmans. This is how they turned out. I love my mom's big fingers. Perfect for dogman for catching crooks. How did your pictures turn out? I bet they turned out great. Hey, Mom, do you want to learn how to draw Petey?
Petey? Who's Petey?
I'm going to tell you later.